Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's JASMY video update for Saturday 6th of August. And right now I'm just sitting on the 4-hour time frame, and it's been a while. We haven't made any move for JASMY, and that's probably because of what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. Now I just wanted to dive into the daily and try to look at all the clues that we can already find on the daily time frame here. So you can see that there's a level of resistance that I draw back in the day. So this is some sort of an ascending triangle coming in, and we do know the apex comes by 11th of August, by the way. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to bring in the ascending triangle at the moment right there, and you might see a drop tomorrow down to this level again, and then try to push up until we don't finally break out to the upside. What I'm looking forward to, of course, is going to be time until 11th of August. So before that, we can have some series of fake outs maybe as well. But let me tell you the next technical target that we're looking for at the moment. So if we do take this one from there to there, we're looking for this one to actually break to this upper target here, which is going to be 11255. And if you end up breaking out of this ascending triangle, unfortunately, to the downside, then you're looking for another drop to 9528. And if you do something like this, go down, come up here, and then break down to the downside, then that's going to be a drop from there to there. We're talking about nearly 9-10% move to the downside as well, right? Which is actually not pretty good if you are in a day trade kind of scenario. So the weekly closing also really matters right now at the moment, and you might end up pushing to the downside and making an evening star and even come down all the way to the downside. So let me remove all the drawings and tell you what the hell we're doing. So you do have this some sort of a hanging man right now, and you have 1 day 13 hours to close the candlestick. If next week you do come down to 95, breaking down of the ascending triangle, of course, and you continue lower to 8980, then you're putting in an evening star here, just the same way you put a morning star there. And then who knows, you can, if things get really ugly and worse, you're going to see this thing actually continue to go for the downtrend. But we haven't really pumped, so who knows, we can actually get lucky, break out of this channel here, and then actually go to 1.4 as well. So that's it for this quick update on JASMY. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.